Alright, today I'm going to teach you boys how to remove a wheel bearing hub on your E30 BMW. First off, you're going to have a dust ring. You're going to take a screwdriver, you're going to hit it with a hammer all the way around until you can pop it off. Obviously, I'm really good at this and it came off super easy for me, as you see. Next thing, you're going to have a dimple right here that goes in. You're going to have to take one of these, smack it with a hammer till it comes out. Once you got that free, you're going to need a 36mm socket impact. They say you need a thin wall. As you can see, this isn't very thin wall, and it fucking fits. Alright? Next thing you're going to do, you're going to take your impact gun and you're going to hit. Once you get your bolt off, okay, then you will go ahead and remove your brake caliper. Your brake caliper is set up in two parts. You have two bolts here, one here, one down here. You'll take that off, you'll remove the caliper. You will set your caliper and brake pads to the side. And you see that bolt right there? There's another one down on the bottom as well. Then you will remove that to remove your caliper holder bracket. Okay? I will do that now. All right, as you can see, my brackets have been removed. My caliper is now swinging like a big, yes, you know what. Now, my bolts come out very easily because I'm making a YouTube video, and every time you see this on YouTube, the bolts comes out easily. If you are not making a YouTube video, be prepared for your bolts to not come out easily. They will be rusted and a bitch, and you will be cussing the guy on YouTube that made it look easy. Okay? That just means that I am so much better than you. Okay. This will not be a problem for me. This is holding my rotor in place. Okay? It is not a problem for me though, because this is a YouTube video and I will get it right out. I will do that now. And just like I said, ow, it came out very easy. I didn't have to hit it with a torch or anything. It just came right out with no problem whatsoever. Again, because this is, ow, YouTube. It's not hot. It's not hot at all. All right, now what are we going to do about this? Well, I'm going to tell you what you're going to do. You're going to go to O'Reilly's or AutoZone, and you're going to rent one of these, and then you'll get all your money back, right? This is called a jaw puller, all right? Oh. Now, you'll also probably need something like this here. This here is an 8mm extended socket. Now, what I'm going to do with that is I'm going to slide it right in this hole right here. And the reason I'm going to do that is because this will not go into that hole. And if it does go into that hole all the way, it probably is a good chance you will thread it in. So you need something to stop it there. So we're going to use that. I'm going to put that jaw puller on, kind of like so. And I'm going to do that now. All right, as you can see, once again, I easily attach the jaw puller. Okay? Now, the next thing I'm going to do is going to be even easier. Okay? I'm going to take my impact and a 17mm impact socket. And I am going to zip that bearing right the hell out of there. And it's as easy as that, folks. Give me just a second. Like I said, as easy as that. Now it looks like we still have a piece of a bearing stuck on there. Oh, we'll have to get that pulled off there. That's no big deal though. No big deal. Inside ball bearing cover there. All right, let me see here. I will simply hook up my jaw puller on that and go ahead and pull it the rest of the way off. I could probably tap it off with a hammer. Give me a second. I will do that now. All right, I was actually able to just take a hammer and do this, and it came off. Oh, perfect. Now we'll put that race back on the bearing there. Voila. Don't worry about if they come out on the new ones like that, guys, because you'll just press them right back in. It's no big deal. All right. Now, let's get us a new hub here. New hub bearing. We'll go ahead and unwrap him here. Now, the other one wasn't wrapped up like this. I don't know why it wasn't, but it wasn't. All right. As you can see, this bearing is a little different. You can actually see the grease that comes around it, and that's fine. No big deal. We'll slide that right back on there like so. Fairly easy. And then the nut will drive it the rest of the way on. So you'll go ahead and grab your nut and you'll get it started. And then you will impact it down. And then you will again put your indent in the proper place. And then you will put everything back together just like you took it off, but in reverse. I hope this video helps y'all, and if you were scared of doing this job, just order the whole damn hub. It's not that much more than the ordering the bearings, the press in, press out bearings, but instead of having to press out the bearings on the old hub that's all rusty and looks like this, just get a new hub and replace the whole assembly. You can pull it off with a jaw puller and get her done. Thanks for watching, and this is your car daddy, and we'll see you on the next one. Oh, hold on. We had some controversy in the comments on the last video concerning the M-Tech 2 front bumper or metal to plastic bumper conversion. This car is an 88, so everything might not be exactly as I said as an early model car might be a little different. I do believe in my head I've had 4 of these, okay? All the way from 86 to 89, okay? I had an 86, I've had 2 87s, so I've had 5 altogether, an 88 and an 89. 86, 87, 87, 88, 89. So 5 different ones, okay? Now, I haven't done the bumper conversion on all of them, but I've been around these cars enough to know that even though the 86 and 87 had a little bit different style metal bumper, they bolt up with the same bracketry, okay? The only difference in the 86 and 87s, as far as I know, is the rear arches are a little different on the earlier models, and you might need to do some cutting there. On the 88s, it has the same arches as the 89 to 91, so the plastic bumper should fit right on over this. I don't know exactly yet because I haven't done it, but I know I need to change these brackets out, and these old ones will have to be cut away, and then the new ones will have to be welded in their place, I'm pretty sure. Don't take me for sure on that. Okay, also the tail lights are different on the 85, 86 models, 87 models, and then when they got to 1988, they started using these tail lights. Now, that doesn't mean that your 88 will have these tail lights. The easiest way to tell is this white light, okay? If it goes up and down like this, then it is a 86, 87, 88 early model. If you have one that goes like this one is, than it is an 88, 89, 90, 91 later model. And that's that. So anyhow, folks, hope this helps. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.